Welcome back to our channel. Have you shown that it's easy to attract a woman when you know how to talk? The most sensitive points of Hermond in this video, you will learn the psychological tricks used by the best juices to appeal to any woman and penetrate her subconscious by manipulating her sensitive points. Watch video until the end, because the last trick will make her open up to you easily and quickly. Let's get started. Psychological trick number 1. Trick number 1, the furl effect. Sometimes winning a woman's heart can be simpler than we imagine, according to a psychological phenomenon known as the Benjamin Franklin effect. Women tend to feel more attracted to us after we ask them for a small favor. When we request something from the girl we like, her perception of us changes, and she starts mentally justifying why she did that favor. She convinces herself that she did it because she likes us or finds us attractive. The secret of this trick lies in asking for small favors, as it is unlikely that the girl will refuse to help us. Some examples could be: Maria cold. You jot down this number for me, Zaina. Can you bring me a coffee, please, Maria? Can I borrow your pen in this way? The Benjamin Franklin effect works perfectly, making the girl feel very attracted to us without us having to do much more. Trick number 2. The Gazette. Trick number 2 effect. A study on the Gauzy effect demonstrated that we can manipulate others simply with our eyes by establishing direct eye contact and maintaining it for a certain amount of time. We can make the person we are looking at, in this case the girl we roicing this trick on, perceive us as a confident person. This case creates a strange, almost captivating feeling in the woman that she may interpret as love at first sight. To provoke this effect on girl you like, follow these steps while talking to her. Maintain eye contact until she connects her gaze with yours. Once you've established eye contact with her, hold it for exactly 3-5 seconds. Count them mentally in silence. To ensure accuracy, after 3.5 seconds, shave past, break eye contact, and look away as if nothing happened. When you look away like this, she will feel that you looked into her soul. From that moment on, she will feel a special connection between you two. After experiencing such a captivating feeling, she will seek that same intense gaze from you the next time you interact. Trick number 3. Trick number 3, contagious positivity. A simple smile has the power to change someone's day or even their mental state. Women in particular are very sensitive to these kinds of emotions. If you understand how this technique works, you'll be able to influence any woman with just a smile or be maintaining a positive attitude. Contagious positivity is the result of psychological effect caused by mirror neurons in the person you approach when you smile at her. According to this psychological phenomenon, if you approach a woman with a smile, she will see you as a nice guy because she will catch your positivity. If you approach her with a smile and manage to get her to smile back, it will be easier for her to give you her number and want to get to know you, since her emotions are elevated and she isn't thinking logically but emotionally. Trick number 4. Repeat her. Trick number 4, name. Few men take this trick into account, but it has been proven that repeated lynching someone's name during conversation has a subject conscious effect. It makes the person, or in this case the woman you're trying to attract, perceive you as someone familiar. It's as if she feels like she has known you for years, which allows you to connect with her emotionally more easily. To use this trick effectively, make sure to ask for her name when you start talking. Then mention her name at least 3 times during that conversation. For example, what's your favorite hobby name? That's a very interesting name. It's been great chatting with you. Maybe we could exchange numbers before I go there. Repeated use of her name helps create a sense of rapport and familiarity between you and her, making it more likely that she will feel comfortable talking to you, which will make her fall for you without any effort on your part. If you're enjoying this video so far, please give it a thumbs up with just one click here, helping me continue creating videos like this one. Let's keep going. Trick number 5. The trick number 5, chameleon effect. According to a 1999 study, we subconsciously are attracted to people who mimic our behavior. So, if you want to appear more attractive to a girl, what interests you, try matching her body language. How do you do this? When talking with her, subtly imitate her gestures. If she crosses her arms, cross yours too. If she runs her fingers through her hair, do the same by mimicking her body language. You'll convey a sense of familiarity and connection that will increase your attractiveness in her eyes. Another psychological trick you can use is trick number 6, subtle physical. Trick number 6, contact. Science has shown that physical contact is one of the most effective means of increasing connection between two people. In fact, by touching someone appropriately, you can convey your own emotions, since women tend to be more sensitive to emotions than men are. This is a powerful trick for winning their hearts. If you touch a woman in the right way, you'll awaken attraction towards yourself. The most sensitive areas are shoulders, forearms, lower back, and waist, but it should be subtle, taking advantage of activities like inviting her to dance or crossing the street together. A gentle and deliberate touch will strengthen your connection more quickly. Women appreciate respectful, yet slightly daring men. Trick number 7, make her. Trick 7, laugh. Using humor is scientifically proven as an effective way to win over a woman's heart. Women tend to find men who make them laugh more attractive. When a woman smiles, her brain releases 4 types of hormones, including endorphins, that stimulate areas of the brain related to pleasure. So if you've got a sense of humor, use it to your advantage to ensure she has a good time with you. What might be just a simple smile for you could be an exciting and fun experience for her. If you're able to make her laugh, she'll see you as someone attractive whom she'd want to spend more time with. Trick number 8, show. Trick number 8, self-confidence is one of the most powerful and attractive qualities in a man. Do you know why women are attracted to bad boys? Because they act with certainty. They don't rely on women for their self-esteem. For a woman to see you as a self-confident man, adopt a firm and assertive attitude. Focus on improving your self-esteem. Think about your achievements and capabilities, improve your appearance, and eliminate any traits that might make you seem weak. If you work on your inner confidence, you'll become more attractive, since women seek out security that they themselves often lack. Trick number 9, trick number 9, iceberg type fact. This psychological effect is based on the first impression someone has of you. Whether this first impression is positive or negative suggests that people believe their entire life reflects that initial moment. For example, when seeing a comedian for the first time, one might think they are always joking and trying to make others laugh. At realistically, we know that's not true. Even the funniest and most optimistic person has problems and goes through tough times. The key here is knowing how to manipulate the first impression given off when meeting an interesting girl by carefully crafting your appearance and speech while applying other techniques so that you're representing your best self, thus increasing your chances of connecting with that woman more quickly. Remember that by subscribing to this channel, you'll continue learning about female psychology while developing the mindset necessary to become the attractive man women seek. Trick number 10. The power of trick number 10, posture. Numerous studies have shown that our body posture can convey how we feel about ourselves, level of our self-esteem, and our expectations from others. This means we can manipulate our posture so as to appear powerful in front of the woman what interests us. Let's analyze some postures that exude power. Open hands and legs, shoulders back, head tilted slightly back while looking ahead, sitting straight while occupying all available space. When a woman sees you walking or standing or sitting correctly with good posture, her admiration for you increases. Sifting. Most men don't know how to stand or sit properly. Poor posture makes them appear weak in front of women or attracted to men who pay attention to how they carry themselves. By using body language, projecting power, you can quickly open up with a woman, conveying confidence and security, the spirit she's looking for in a man. Trick number 11, that trick TR11, pally in effect. This is the trick you'll want to use if you'd like a girl to do what you're saying. According to a pig and effect theory, we easily let ourselves be influenced by what others expect from us. This influence can make us slaves either consciously or subconsciously to those beliefs, or rather what those people expect you to either do or be. This phenomenon suggests to tend towards fulfilling others' expectations or doing what people expect from us. This means if you tell a girl what you're expecting from her, brain will start working automatically towards fulfilling those expectations. Of course, this trick works if you're clear about what you like from her affirmatively. For instance, tell her something like, "You're very flirty, I love how you're looking at me." Even if it's not true afterward, you'll notice she begins looking at you flirtatiously without realizing she's merely fulfilling your expectations. As a result, she'll feel very attracted towards you. Trick number 12. Trick number 12. The jolt effect. According to studies conducted back in 1920, the first impression we form about someone, whether positive or negative, can shape our overall perception of them. This phenomenon is known as jolt effect. The first impression we form about someone could lead us into considering them potentially good or potentially bad. To take advantage of this effect, when getting acquainted with someone new, maintain kind smiles, beg anew, and keep eye contact and actively listen while conversing. This helps create an extremely positive first impression about you, making her interested in discovering other attractive qualities about you, which serves as an opening door leading towards falling for you. Trick number 13. The IKEA effect. Various studies have shown we value things more highly when we've personally contributed towards them. For example, we appreciate more a table we've assembled ourselves than one bought pre-made. Similarly, we value people whom we've helped improve over those whom we've not been able to help out. You can leverage this psychological effect when approaching girls. Ask them for assistance regarding something they're already experts at, like waking up early for exercise. Start following their advice and show them your progress. Eventually ask for their number so they can check whether you're completing tasks they've set. She'll feel valued, contributing positively towards your life, which makes her increasingly interest in you. If you're enjoying this video, please give it another thumbs up. The next trick will have her crawling towards you. Trick number 14. The trick number 14. Bandwagon effect. In 1944, a group of psychologists demonstrated people tend unconsciously choose to don't believe the same things majority does. When asked why, majority responded, "I don't know, I see others doing it." This phenomenon, known as bandwagon effect, can effectively attract girls who interest you. First, study her friends, their likes, passions, hobbies, etc. Then let them know you're interested too in order to gain favor amongst them. And since they're majority, according bandwagon effect, the girl you like will also find herself drawn towards you, since her friends already do. The goal here at leveraging people's tendency toward following majorities unconsciously to positively influence attraction from girls who catch your eye. Trick number 15. The reciprocity effect. Trick number 15. Science has shown we're more attracted towards those who like us back. It serves as key factor attracting women. Reciprocity defines tendency responding positively after receiving another positive action. So how can leverage a principle psychology attract girls? Quite simply, let her know you like her instead of turning yourself away. It means expressing interest gives her opportunities show feelings back towards you. Most women expect men they re attracted toward take initiative wooing them over. Few possess enough confidence to alert feelings first. According principle, when someone knows you like them, it becomes easier feeling attracted back toward you while being attentive toward what you offer as partner. Trick number 16. Similarity attraction effect. Studies show we tend to feel drawn towards people similar attitudes, personalities, values, interests, etc. Thus, when attempting win over women, you must observe, understand what's important to our career, hobbies, thought process, etc. Then clearly communicate sharing some of those same qualities. When someone realizes having things common, they'll likely feel increased attraction toward you. After all, we often feel comfortable around those thinking, behaving similarly, whether training partner or sharing perspectives. High exiting similarities. But when Both increases chances she'll want to spend time with you. Subscribe a Becca's. Such insightful psychological advice won't find anywhere else. Thanks. Let's continue. Trick number 17, emotional trick. 17. Stability. Humans tend to reflect unconscious emotional states surrounding individuals, interacting with an environments around them. When engaging someone appearing nervous, anxious, likely also feel same way. Conversely speaking, calm, serene person may help feel relaxed, controlled instead. This, when speaking with women catching your interest, make effort project emotional stability, allowing her feel comfortable letting you subtly attract her attention. Many men become nervous speaking people. They're drawn toward letting maintained calm, secure demeanor gives impression. Being calm by an attractive partner, women seek out this quality may further reassure woman catching your interest, making her comfortable conversing with you. Trick 18. Number 18. Reveal your imperfections. Appearing trustworthy, authentic. Surprisingly few men willing to expose vulnerabilities trying to impress women, but doing so proves effective means connecting with them. Accepting yourself flaws normal opens just attracting desired romantic inners. Sallowing ease engagement conversation. Revealing slightly embarrassing facts about oneself. Noticing she becomes increasingly drawn toward you. Trick number 19. Do her a trick number 19. Favor. When doing favors triggers psychological effect known reciprocity. With immense individuals involved, even small favor makes person feel obligated. Return kindness, bigger gesture later on to utilize. Tactic with women discreetly. Note something needs help, however minor, then do it without asking beforehand. Noticing she begins seeking ways repay kindness shown earlier. Thought may sound manipulative. Feeling obligation brings closeness. Receptive requests made later downline, thus laying groundwork. Encouraging desired romantic interest. Reciprocate favors eventually received from them later on to inserting authentic behind initial act. Kindness remains genuine, not feign whatsoever. Trick number 20. Final psychological. Trick 20. Be authentic. Being genuine fosters trust, credibility within relationships formed around honesty, lacking hidden agendas, secrets concealed, thus making sense, avoiding acting otherwise than true selves, since subconscious detects insincerity easily, letting women perceiving falsehoods instead. Authenticity captivates attention, naturally drawing them closer toward us. Instead showing fear, revealing true selves creates hypnotic effect, attracting women's attention. Forleys through honesty, lack pretensions displayed openly throughout direct in actions shared together, fostering deeper connections, build trustworthiness. Established in a dialogation display bled consistently, thick conversations shared together, answering lasting impressions left behind long after initial encounters fade away, leaving lasting impact behind every interaction. Experience together, moving forward into future endeavors shared together. Always remembering, hit thumbs up, subscribe, and share thoughts, comments regarding which psychological tricks resonated most deeply within minds during viewing process. Concluding video session today. Until next time.